Hello, Central Catholic colleagues. I have created a video tutorial to teach you how to create your own video tutorials for your students. And to do this, we are actually going to use Zoom. I just wanted you to be able to see my face when this video started, so I'm going to end this meeting and start over. When you want to create a video, you are simply going to have a meeting with yourself. So you're going to start a new meeting without inviting anybody. And from here, we can record what we're doing. So don't get freaked out by the timer at the top of the screen. It says it's been going for 10 seconds. The meeting has been happening for 15 seconds, not my recording. I have to tell Zoom that I want to record. So make sure your settings are set so that you're not automatically recording every meeting. You want to have control over when you are recording or not. So when I'm ready to start my video message, I'm simply going to click record at the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to record to my computer. As soon as I start recording, there's a pop-up at the top of the screen that reminds me I am currently recording myself. If I need to pause to get a sip of water, I can click the pause button, do my thing. It's not currently recording what I'm doing right now. And then I can click play and it will pick up from where I left off. If you hit the stop button, your video is stopped forever. The only way to start over would be to end your meeting and start a new meeting with a recording. So I can simply give my students a video message of myself, or I can choose to share my screen. If I want to share my screen, I can use the whiteboard feature, or I can literally share what I'm doing on my computer, and I'll show you how to do that. So first, if I wanted to use the whiteboard feature, I'd simply click share screen at the bottom and choose the whiteboard. Now my students are seeing the whiteboard. They're also still seeing me. If you don't want them to see your face, you don't have to show it. So they can see everything that I'm writing on the whiteboard, and I can even go back and forth between me and whatever I'm writing on the whiteboard. So I can stop my sharing and go back to myself. If I want to share with them what I'm doing on my computer screen, I would click share screen, choose my computer screen, click share. Now they're literally seeing my screen. So this is where you want to make sure you don't have any documents or emails or gradebooks open because your students will see them. It's probably best to have whatever you want to share with them open and ready to go so you don't look like a fool trying to navigate to it during your video. So if I wanted to simply help them navigate the website, I would go to the website. They can see everything that I'm doing right now. I could navigate them to their latest sketchbook assignment in the resource folder, and they can see everything that I'm doing. If I want to stop sharing, I just click the stop share button on my toolbar. The cool thing about creating a video tutorial with Zoom is that your students cannot see the Zoom toolbar. So as you're choosing to share your screen and choosing the whiteboard feature or choosing to go back to a video of yourself, they're not seeing you actually click on any of those things, and so you really look like a professional. So when I'm done creating my video tutorial, I'm going to say goodbye to my students and I'm going to click stop. I'm no longer recording myself, so I can end my meeting, and as soon as I do end my meeting, my video file will be converted and saved on my computer. So I'm going to end my meeting, and it's going to convert for me. It's important that once you have converted your file, you rename it so that you remember where to find it. Say you've tried your video tutorial 5 times and you keep messing up what you want to say. It's going to be hard for you to find this particular video on your computer. So you want to make sure you rename it and relocate it if you wish. There are 2 ways you can upload your video file to the website. You could create a resource folder for video tutorials and upload the actual file there, or you could create a YouTube channel and actually use the YouTube feature on the home page of your class pages, and I will show you how to do both of those things. Okay, my file has now been converted. That's it right there. That is my video. I can confirm right there. There it is. As soon as I start. Okay. So I'm going to rename this. And I'm going to go to the website and create a new folder for video tutorials. Now I'm going to add my file. This is why it's important to know where it is on your computer. So I'm going to select it and I'm going to save it. Now this takes a few minutes. It's a pretty large file when you create a video file, so it takes a few minutes to upload to the website. But now when your students access this resource folder, it will open up the video itself. You don't have to post a link to anywhere. Now, when I open this, I can show you what I mean about your students not being able to see the
As soon as I start recording, that reminds me, I am currently recording myself.
Okay, so as I go through my video, you can see I'm using the whiteboard and my students are not seeing that Zoom toolbar. They're only seeing what I'm doing. It looks really good. So I'm going to exit out of this. I'm going to show you how you could also post this to your homepage using the YouTube section of the website. So I already have a video here because I had created a video for my students on the first day of school. But if you had created your own YouTube channel, all of your videos have their own YouTube link. So you could actually upload this video to your YouTube channel, and then if you decide to add this feature to your homepage on the website, you can customize the settings to either just show that video, or you could show like the last 5 video tutorials that you've created. And the reason that I like this is because you could actually customize this so it's more visible to your students, and your students would see your new videos as you published them on the homepage. You know, some of them are a little lazy. They might not go look for them. So they would be on the homepage, really easy to access, and it would bring them to your YouTube channel, but they could also still have that actual video file in your video tutorials folder. So that's how to create your own video tutorials using Zoom. Let me know if you have any questions or I can be of any more help to you, and I hope that you make some really awesome videos for your students. Good luck.